Tupperware saved me. That's my wire stripper. And jeez, it works well. Give you a demo. How easy was that? Oh yeah, I've just been coming out here, and every time I over smoke I sit down for about 10 minutes or so and hack into this box. You can sort of see I've only got the small stuff left, and this is sort of going to call that my low grade. Got some coax, that's your aluminium wire, and that, I don't know, it's discoloured. It's not burnished or burnt, it's discoloured. But yeah, that's how easy it is. Don't need an electric wire stripper, don't need a knife. One of these things works excellent. So yeah, Tupperware wire stripper, great stuff. Hooroo!